So we were discussing a lot of forms. In that we discussed fungiform and circumvallate papillae. So this was done. The last point of fungiform remaining. I've just written these would be present like 200 to 400 in number. So I'm sure this would be very much clear. I mean I've discussed in last video. So now we are going with another form which is filiform. It's like filiform. Filiform papillae. So these are like they don't have any taste. We also consider them no taste birds. They're called as no taste birds. Okay. Then they are also covering, and they do make rough texture of our surface. You might have noticed our tongue is not specifically, I mean, very smooth, or it does not have any particles. You might have seen a small structure. Of course, there could be another form as well, but the rough structure of our tongue would be made by filiform. So they provide roughness to our tongue. Roughness. Okay. Then these are mostly in carnivorous. Mostly they are present in carnivorous. Mostly carnivorous, and just because they move, they have them moving food, grinding a lot of things. Okay. So filiform, which was only this according to me, and they're very small in size, most abundant, but they don't have any taste. So most abundant as well. Okay, so here we have another, I mean last form, that is folate papillae. Folate form. So these are active and they have sensory receptor as well to detect the taste and a lot of things. They have sensory receptor. And they're very active. Okay, and they die like when the age of adult came. I mean not mostly present in adult, just because they die at the age of that. So die till age of adult, till adult. Okay, so here they also provide rigid structure, and they're not working, they don't work in huge number, they're very less. And they provide a lot of taste. I mean they provide four kind of taste, because they're the sensory receptor. So whatever you taste would be done by this foliage form. So let me, I mean I have shared one picture. Let me move here. So this will be structure. Our tongue does these four, I mean they have receptors. So this means whatever you taste will be detected by this folate form. So this structure you can taste sour, salty, sweet, bitter as well. And here in the end, like the posterior side have a bitter taste, but you don't feel it. Why? Just because if you eat any food, here your tongue moves, help them to eat. So like food get mixed up. Otherwise posterior side have a bitter taste as compared to other. Here you will see sweet, whatever you eat, salty, sour, bitter, and these all. So yes, this was all. Now if I show you in picture, here are all the forms. Sorry, filiform, folate, fungiform, and these all, and the hyoid bonds also.